fire truck. The spray lakes, the fire alarm's going off right now. You might not be able to see the fire truck, but it's right there. Yeah, that's a fire truck. I don't think there's any fire. I think the little kid just pulled it. But yeah, that's probably what happened. I was just waiting for RRB 151. Yeah, I can see that engine right now, but yeah, my camera was in the air. That's embarrassing. But yeah, fire truck, not a fire, fire truck. Oh wow, Ariel. Oh my god. I don't see any smokes. I don't know why this. Yeah, right there, Ariel. That is crazy. That's never been recorded responding. Oh my god. This is one of the best days. First time ever. Never been recorded responding. Yeah. A Bronto Skylift. Wow. That is insane. It's gonna be coming up right there. But yeah. Wow. I can't see it. Excuse me. Alright, where are you? Come on. We know you're here. Oh, it's over there. Wow. Yeah, I see it. Right. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, Bronto Skylift. I think it's 150 feet. Meters, I don't know. I'm not sure. Wow. Well, I'm gonna go head over there and I'm gonna start recording it.